Hey sellers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Helium 10 Scribbles, one of the best tools to help you write high-converting, keyword-rich Amazon listings. If you've already done your keyword research using Magnet or Cerebro, Scribbles is the next step to build a fully optimized listing, and I'll walk you through exactly how it works. Make sure you watch till the end for a 50% off discount code to try it yourself. Scribbles is Helium 10's listing optimization tool that helps you use all your important keywords in the title, bullet points, description, and backend fields, without forgetting any. It highlights which keywords you've used and which ones you still need to include, so you never miss a ranking opportunity. Go to Scribbles from your Helium 10 dashboard. Paste your keyword list into the Pasted Keyword Phrases section. These are typically keywords you pulled from Magnet, Cerebro, or Frankenstein. Scribbles will automatically separate them into individual words and track your usage. Scribbles isn't just about adding keywords, it's about writing copy that converts. Make sure your listing speaks to customer benefits, answers objections, and includes emotional triggers, all while integrating your target keywords naturally. Avoid keyword stuffing. Amazon rewards listings that read well and convert better. Now start writing your listing. Use the product title field to create a compelling, keyword-rich title. Move to bullet points and start describing your product's features and benefits. And here's something super helpful: with Scribbles, you're not just writing in one field. You can optimize all 5 bullet points, the product description, title, and backend search terms, all in one dashboard. Even better? Scribbles shows you a live word count and character limit tracker for each section. So if your title goes over 200 characters, or your bullet points get too long, it warns you right away. No more guessing or uploading listings only to have them rejected for being too long. You can also monitor which keywords you've already used; they'll be crossed out automatically. Sort keywords by usage, frequency, or search volume. Write backend search terms with a strict limit. Amazon allows up to 250 bytes, Scribbles keeps you within that. This saves a ton of time and helps you stay compliant with Amazon's listing guidelines. Now for the good part, discounts. Use the code EBIZA10 to get 10% off every month forever. Or, if you prefer a bigger short-term saving, use EBIZA20 for 20% off your first 6 months. And if you use our special affiliate link in the description, you'll unlock exclusive deals you won't find anywhere else. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried Helium 10 or plan to.